pinstriping for my Niro EV. I had 4 selections from this company called TFX pinstriping. I've used them before in a couple of previous vehicles, and I was very satisfied with their performance as far as endurance and maintaining a good appearance after several years. So the question came down to what color should I use to match the gray tone of the Niro, and this is what I'm going through right now as far as just kind of cutting out some strips, samples, and laying them out and seeing which one looks the best, which has the best contrast. I don't want anything that looks close to the color of the body color, because it really defeats the purpose of pinstriping. But I don't want anything too dark, so this is just me going through this process here.
Number 1 for throwback.
If the striping tends not to hold at those cut points, just get some clear nail polish and just tap it on the end and that'll hold it in place. So there you have it. Pinstriping is easy. The thing to remember with pinstriping is that when you plan and make sure you keep your runs straight and don't try to micro apply it to the side of your vehicle. Also, when you're putting the tape on for the first time, don't press it in, or I call it press it in, or don't rub it in. Once you rub it in, or press it in, it makes it causes a chemical reaction and makes a permanent bonding of the adhesive to the vehicle surface. So if you put it on there light, just sort of like tack it on there, you can actually pull it back and reposition it. Once you're satisfied with the actual location of your pinstriping, then you can press it on or rub it on, and it'll make a permanent bonding to your vehicle body. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate you watching.